Doc, what the heck? I'm so upset. I can't deal with all of these side effects. I'm irritable, I can't see straight when I'm right on time. You know, I'm still late, hoping that now this ain't nothing right. I'm always jumpy and so uptight. Got run over in my own truck, and perhaps I'm just one unlucky. So I'm waiting to be put down like crap dog. Oh, yeah. Alive, oh, despite my woes. I guess they say that's just how it goes. I'm kind of like that guy in the Bible named Job. I'm somewhat desperate, Doc, and I'm at a hope. Well, you never said a word, so I thought I'd check. Try to understand these side effects. I'm serious as a heart attack. I'm a broken man with a naked back. And you know, I haven't gotten it in quite a while. All's good under the hood, I'm still quite virile. Well, the doc shook my hand, and then he smiled. Then he shook his head and laughed a while. He said, son, well, you sure done saved my life. And the doctor said, that's what you get for stealing my wife. I said, Doc, how'd you deal for so many years? He said, son, thank God I've got a lot of patience. Well, I guess it wasn't worth trying to get me side sex, cause now I'm suffering the side effect. Oh, the side effect. She's got that effect. Yeah, she's my side effect.